How to enable keyboard light in Dell Laptop. So let's get started. In this video, I will just let you know this keyboard shortcut which will help you to enable the keyboard light in your Dell Laptop. So for that, first of all, you have to disable the function key. For that, press Fn key and then escape key in your keyboard. That will disable the function key or lock the function key. After that, if you navigate to your function key at the top, there you will have a function key which will help you to enable the keyboard light. In my Dell laptop, the F5 keys will allow me to turn off or turn on the keyboard light. So all you have to do is press on it. After you press on it, the keyboard light will be disabled if you have disabled the function key. So with the help of the F5 in your keyboard, you can either turn off or turn on the keyboard light in your laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.